Well, I know this has been a while since I've been posting a video, but I haven't really worked on any uh, my scale stuff just because I've been busy with drag cars. That's what I did all summer, and I still love it, so I'll be doing it for next summer too. As you can see, the truck still here, still in primer, still needs to be finished. But I decided to start working on it again, and one of the things I wanted to do was revamp the lighting system. So right now the lights are off. They're just off my remote like usual. And there you go, lights are on. And as always, brake lights, as you can see, has reverse lights and turn signals. And as you can see, there's a light underneath here. I don't know why it's on my phone. It's flashing, but it's not actually flashing. So it's the license plate light. And let me turn everything off. So far rear end is the only thing I have done. There's the controller. There's all the wiring. And there it goes into the receiver. And there's this channel splitter right there for the signal and everything else, and the switch source. So it goes in there. Unfortunately, I did have an inline switch in here, this one here, but it failed. So I went to a different type of switch. So this one here is actually going to turn on the low beams and the parking lights. So I'm going to get the front end done right now, and I'll show you in the next video. Hope you guys like this.